What if you could build and deploy a working AI-powered web app in the time it takes to make coffee? No, seriously. As a founder, you have an amazing idea for an AI tool, a marketing copy generator, a meeting notes summarizer, a new feature for your product, but building the backend, setting up servers, and deploying it takes days or weeks, which might be time you don't have if you're trying to move fast. But the good news is there's a fast path to building and deploying apps in just a matter of minutes. So watch this. Here we are in AI Studio, which is the best place to learn and explore the latest DeepMind models. To get started, all you need to do is click on the build icon in the left-hand pane. You can see many different example apps referenced down here below the main prompt box. I'm just going to type in what I want in plain English, an app that takes a brief description and image of my product and creates a landing page with marketing copy and unique new images created with Imagine. We're immediately shown an IDE embedded right in AI Studio, where you can see Gemini's thinking traces, architectural decisions, and more. And as the code gets generated, it's placed in a well-defined directory structure. If Gemini encounters any errors, it will try to fix them or recommend auto-fixes. And once the app is generated, it gets rendered here on the right-hand side pane, where we can test everything out. And it all looks great. Now the magic part. I click Deploy to Cloud Run. AI Studio packages it up and deploys it using Google Cloud Run. All I have to do is select a project, add a billing account, and just like that, we have a shareable, scalable web app hosted securely and scalably on Google Cloud. This isn't just a toy. This is your MVP. You can build an internal tool to improve your team's productivity, create a lead magnet for your website, and even generate proof of concept applications to validate a new product idea with real users by the end of the day, not the end of the quarter. So stop waiting. Go to AI Studio right now, describe your app idea, and build your first AI prototype for free. The link is in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more founder tips.